So I'm gonna replay this one. And both of them will be quite similar, just like small change, because here you're gonna have like 4 values and here like just true and false, as you already may know. Here you have title, name, text, current answering question, this current index. Here we pass in the image. I think it's multiple. This one, multiple choice. Set as vCartex if loading. Data is being loaded because it obviously is gonna take some time to get from the API, the data. So, and once it has loaded, otherwise if else, then we're gonna display the current question. Have action if it's required. These are rules required. So basically, I have to put in choose a value, vRadio, before we loop through the items. Set like key, the label of it, and value, and here exit to close from the quiz, and here we click next to go to the next question. Closing, and now I'm gonna start the script. So script, so I have to import Axios from Axios. If I'm not mistaken, we actually don't have Axios installed. As you recall from the, where is it? From the quiz, we binded the quiz array to quiz array. That's why it had to be like put the props here to get it. Data. Return. Here we have to put a lot of values, basic properties. Loading we set to false. Now loading set to true. Because initially the page will be loading. Question set as null. Current question set as null. Current index set to 0. Answered set to null. Correct answer set to null as well. Shuffled answers. We have to shuffle the answers because it cannot be asynchronously. Correct 0, and these are all the correct values. So here we're gonna specify a watcher. You have to watch current question, and officially it's answered equals false. Because here it's null, it could be as well false, but and we always watch if, where is this? Here. This current question, if it has been basically answered. So methods get API questions. We have to add function. Actually, can be as well just like this one. Let's just continue like that. Link. Here you can specify the it's like a home link basically. Let quiz equals, and this is like the endpoint. Amount equals plus this quiz array 0 plus difficulty plus this quiz array 1 plus and type equals plus this quiz array 2. Let URL link, we have to concatenate quiz. So this link, the home link, has to be concatenated together with a quiz, and here we can just console log URL just to see. And these properties, obviously I'm aware because of the, where is it? Yeah, here. OpenDB amount category. So just put this one and here the 35. We got like 35 questions. Difficulty. Easy. Here, different questions. So basically, so here return Axios. You can as well use actually fetch, but Axios is like more recommended. We get the URL. We specify then function error. And if it's oh no, it's not the function error, then response this question response. We specify a catch block. If something goes wrong, function error. Console log. We're just gonna log it out. get question, the function as well. Let question this question oh yeah, because we got the this results. This current, not current question, but index, because it's we're gonna get it based by index, and we're gonna get the question. I'm gonna play something. Oh. This is basically because some of them are not rendered well, and it appends and code. So we're just gonna replace it to empty. Okay. Otherwise, this current question equals question. And we're gonna set loading to false, because we got the question, and that's why we're gonna set loading to false, basically. This correct answer equal this questions data results. We have to get the correct answer. Now from this questions data results, we get again this current index. Inside there's correct answer. So inside this data where you have this index, there's like a value. I can show you shortly. Correct. You can see correct answer. So when you get this question, basically, you can see correct answer. You have Jared. Data results current this current index in, and the other one was, where is it? Incorrect answers. Incorrect answers. This quiz data result. This current index. So here we, oh, this is, I need another dot for the spread operator. No, it just okay. So basically here we have the one correct answer. Here we have all the answers, because as you notice here, incorrect answer and correct answers are like separated in the JSON. And that's why I have to combine both of them. At first we add all the incorrect answers, and the next one we have the correct answer. So basically if I'm gonna add this one again. It's incorrectly written. Now it's better. And underneath it, we have to shuffle it. Shuffled answer equals shuffle answers. Can I just add this load? I think it'd be load. Comma. Answered. Return nothing if it's not correct. If this correct answer doesn't match, and here we set like the V model answered. So once you select, then it's gonna save it as that particular one. That's why we match it here. Else if answer as if so otherwise if it's correct, this correct plus plus, and this one basically, if both of them are not answered, then don't do anything. Otherwise, there are these options. Maybe even don't need incorrect to notify. Here we're gonna use a store commit update results this correct to update the current results. If it's correct, we're gonna push router push result. So we always have to initialize all of these basically functions. Current index, commit index, this get question, this get choice. It's quite a lengthy one, but it's necessary for the next to check if everything matches. So basically in the next we check if it's being answered. Here we push if it's correct, and otherwise we set these ones further. And we have to make an exit function. This is like where the button was placed. Exit function. Yeah, here. Just to exit the game completely. Function of this. after push that one. You have to set up a mounted icing hook function. Await this get, because we have to set up a mounted hook to get the questions from this method. Mounted, you always use mounted hook for API calls basically. This get question, we call as well the get question same time, and we as well get choices. That's basically it. There's quite a lot. It could be optimized, but let's see how it looks like. Oh, wait, one other thing. I completely forgot that I didn't make update results in the store. Oh, it's quite similar to the get data. So where is it? Yeah, here. Update results. State, score, state, results. You're gonna set it to empty. State results plus equals score. Okay, that's it. Now we're gonna check. Then easy, multiple. I didn't. Just like then, multiple, start, and as you can see, it's loading, and as well, it's going through. Okay. So now let's do with this one, the true and false, and actually here I'm gonna just paste the code. It's practically the same thing. Here we just change the few values, and it's just radio group are just true and false. So if now taking 10, easy. It's like that. Ananas is the most used in SEO. True. I'm not really sure all of these. Okay. And now we have still like a last thing to do, and it's get the results. And it's basically when all the questions are finished. So basically, oh, I didn't see. Couldn't. Now I can. True, false, something random. This one page we have to now populate. So now we go in our last part. It's the results. We paste. So here the container is just a simple one. H1. Congratulations follows. We get the results. We have to divide it with one with other value. We get the percentage of it, and we can start, of course, a new game. Script data. For the export default. In the data object, return results percent null. You make a created lifecycle hook for our quiz type. Store state data for results. We get the result of this. Store state result for quiz array, quiz type split. Get this results push quiz. We have to push as well the results. Specify the methods. New game function. Router push. We have to calculate the percentage is what percent of num A, num B, or so this percent have to use a math method, and here we have to num A divided num B and multiply by 100, comma. We have to again specify a mounted hook. We have to asynchronize it, function, because we want to instantly get the percentage value and it has to be calculated here. Wait, this is what percentage of, and here we have the results. The one is the overall question. Here, this results push. Quiz R0. So quiz those 0, 1 is the overall questions, and the first one is the amounts you got correct, and that's how we're gonna calculate the percentage. And now if we save it, we check it. And obviously he's not gonna show anything because we haven't yeah, got any values inside. So boolean data is being loaded 1 1. Oh, no, Vatican is not. Runs on source engine, I think so. Ottawa. No, it's not. I think so. Yeah, sometimes here still the problems. False. North Moscow. I think so. Uh, I I'm not sure. As a first time to launch man into space. Mm, no. You see, your score is as follows. We got 6 out of 10 correct, and in percentage it's 60%. So that's basically it. Hope you like the video, and the GitHub link will be provided below. See you next one. Cheers.